Wait a minute. It's no need to get scared.
That bus.
Hush. Y'all, look. Look how much snow. Oh, my God.
Go, why would you just roll out your freaking window?
Woo!
Why would you just... Bro, go and ask me. Come on, let's go.
Wait a minute. Hold on.
Are you still in it? Come on, actually, bro. I actually having a real hard attack, bro.
You're not having a real hard
I'm not lying. I'm actually
Answer, you having anxiety. Hold on. Wait a minute. Hold on. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. It's snowing crazy. Don't do that. Dada, no. You're going to mess up her hair. Shut the door.
It's snowing. It's in my face.
Oh, shit. Oh, hold on. Y'all. It is so... Stop, Dada. Literally. Oh, my God. I can't see you. Y'all, this is crazy. We did not know we were going to get this much snow. It's snow. This is wild. But anyway, it's really cold. Bye, guys.